This video is going to help guide you through the process of hosting the Water Quality Station. The objectives of the Water Quality Station are to define water quality and gain a basic understanding of how to conduct water quality testing, including measuring temperature, turbidity, pH, and dissolved oxygen. Define a watershed and learn that all water is interconnected. Understand that water is affected by many things, and when one element of water quality is affected, each other component can be affected as well. When students arrive, introduce yourself and the other station members by giving your name, career, and agency. Ask students to define a watershed and prompt them to consider how and why water quality might be measured. State the goals and objectives of the Water Quality Station. You may divide students into two groups now if you wish. If this is the case, each group will participate in the two substations. Substation 1, Enviroscape. Make this as hands-on and interactive as possible. Have students look at the model and describe what they see. What is represented on the model? It might be something like a golf course, a farm, an industrial area, or a residential area. Students will simulate above-ground contamination by dropping fertilizer, pesticides, waste, oils, and sediments in appropriate locations. Ask for definitions of and identify point source pollution and non-point source pollution on the model. Finish with the model by making it rain and talking about what happened and what could have been done differently to protect the quality of the river and the lake in the model. Substation 2, Water Quality Testing. Before each test, have the students predict what they think the result will be. Test and record each of the following: temperature, turbidity, pH, and dissolved oxygen. During and after each test, discuss why the test is important, what it measures, and how it helps to determine the quality of the water. Each test uses a different piece of equipment. Each is independent, but each is also connected. Try to get students to understand how and why this is the case. In conclusion, summarize the lessons learned in the Water Quality Station. All water in a watershed is interconnected, so what we do above ground affects what will happen below ground. Plants, animals, and humans rely on the watershed as our water lifeline. Being mindful of our daily activities can help to ensure water will be available and usable for all who need it.